So good morning, everyone. Good morning. So I'd like to honor and acknowledge and thank you, for choosing to stay committed. I'm not sure if it was fun or it was grueling experience, but nevertheless, tinapos nyo, pinanindigan nyo, and para sa akin, pinanalo nyo yung araw nyo ngayon, no? Hopefully bukas ulit, no? When we were gathering yesterday, I think I like what Helen pointed out, na the reason why a lot of people are not creating, and are not reaching what they want simply because yung old pattern of behavior, and we call that self-image of I'm not capable, I'm not responsible, and I don't matter, is always showing up. Yun bang tipong, was there a time in your life excited ka, ito todo mo na to, ito na talaga magbabago ng buhay ko, tapos nahirapan ka na ng konti, umatras ka na. Did that make sense? Yes. And what you did today was a great display of kahit nahirapan ka, kahit hindi mo gusto, kahit first time mo, siguro meron pa sa hindi pa nakatulog. Right? Dito may humihilik na side, no? You did it anyway. Then you won over your old self, who's always distracted, who's always looking for external whatever, who's always looking for a sensation outside. And this is a practice that if you want to win in your life, even in the most difficult task that you want to say, that you want to achieve, and you always say that I'll do it, and you don't even do it, you need to stay on track. Let's be real, especially in sales. Isa lang naman ng pinaka-problema natin. Gusto niyo malaman ano yun? Consistency. Right? But what if you can do something for one straight year, even if you don't feel like doing it, even if it's the most difficult day, if it's most grueling, you did it anyway. Ano pakiramdam? Panalo. And now you see yourself differently. Because this is your anchoring, eh. And this is something that you want to start embracing simply because it's a path of winning yourself, that you can now master yourself. I want you to notice yourself today. Yung dating kinaiinisan mo, parang ngayon, parang sayang energy ko dyan. You become kinder. You become more compassionate. No? You become cool. Right? You notice yesterday, the kids were just being kids. Was I disturbed? Or I just enjoyed it? Right? Ganun yan. Kahit anong gulo sa harap ko, kahit nagkakaroon ng, kung may sunog, hindi ako magsisigaw, okay, may sunog, tumawag ng bombero. There was one time, itong paa nito, naputol to. So, sinabi nang nagme-meditate, naputol yung paa ni Gaston. No? Sabi ko, hindi dalhin natin sa vet. Para yung mga nakita, nagsisigawan, nung nakita ko, tara, dalhin na sa vet to. Diba? Walang paa. Buti na lang may budget si Daddy, no? Naka-titanium yan. Right? Klaro ba? Because in life, there's no permanent. Do you realize that? But how come we worry of the things that are impermanent? And this is really a practice of non-attachment. You notice all your trouble in life because you're attached to something that you want. And if it's not happening, nanggigigil ka. Or maybe you're too attached to something that's really good, really exciting, pleasurable, tapos you're hoping and wishing to hold it. In the end, it's not forever. There's two things in life. It's either pain, ayoko, pleasure, gusto ko. We tend to hold both. What if you don't judge both, which is, okay, lilipas din yan. But I enjoy this moment. Most of the multi-millionaire and the billionaires I spoke to, parang despite of having everything in life that they can buy, most of them are miserable. You wanna know why? They cannot live in the present. Always moving forward, always thinking forward, always this and that, and forgetting to enjoy. Did that make sense?
Yes.
We were in Disneyland New Year. Parang hindi na nag-enjoy ng tao kasi inaabangan yung fireworks na kaganon lahat. Tapos nag-aaway na kasi hindi na makakita. Why not just enjoy it? Anyway, yung video mo, hindi mo nang pinapanood. Totoo. Right? Tapos buburahin mo na. Meron pa mas magandang mag-shot sa'yo, doon ka sa YouTube manood. Klaro ba yon? We are so used to be distracted. And what's taking you away from what you're supposed to do is distraction. What if you train yourself every day, distraction-free? Biggest distraction, you make this your God. Honest lang, sino dito, pagkagising matik, itong hahawakan? Sino? Oh, you make this your God. Stop it. Tapos pag nakita mo, may naiinis ka, sira ng araw mo. Klaro ba yon? Some of you, you make your children your God. Inuna nyo. Ngarag-ngarag. Some of you make your target your God. You make your work your God. No. You make Him the first. Seek Him inside. Why? Today, you'll just notice, napakatalino mo. Yung mga decision making mo, lahat perfecto. Wala akong nakita. Ilang years tayo magkasama, Mads? 8 years. Did you ever see my decision, my choices palpak, or it's always everything work together for good?
Things work together.
Kung sa tingin ko man palpak, merong ikagaganda yan, antay ka lang. Kaso lang aligaga eh. Did that make sense? I no longer have, a monthly goal, an annual goal. Ako lang to, huwag niya akong gayahin. Kasi ito yung fully surrender kung anong gusto niya para sa akin. This is the best part. Kakadeclare ko lang, lumalapag. Ganda, no? But are you willing to trust Him with your life? Are you willing to allow Him to take full control of your life? And this is that practice. Kumbaga, kaya ang dami kong nagagawa. Last night, nakapag-Zoom pa ako. Nakapag-yoga pa ako ng 1 hour. Ang ganda ng tulog ko. Gising ako ng 4. Sinimulan ko na ng 4. May nag-alarm sa kwarto namin. Lumipat na ako dito. Buong araw ko, buong buo. Ang dami ko pang nakausap kagabi, ha? Coaching conversation. Despite of me being here, handle ko lahat ng kailangan ko i-handle. Did that make sense? Especially you're taking care of 2 kids. Okay, are there times na mawala ka ng pasensya? Madalas. Notice today. Right? Notice today, just, okay. Hindi na mamamatay yan. Notice today how you can be a better mom. How you can be a better manager, a better wife, a better daughter. Notice today. Isn't it a great benefit? Anong kapalit? Mababawasan ka lang ng haba ng tulog. Nasa Bible yan, ha? Do not love sleep. You will grow poor. Hanapin mo, nasa sa Bible yan. Do not love sleep. Narinig mo ba yan? No? Tapos sasabihin, kulang ako sa tulog. May ganyan ba dito? Bakit may itang ulo kulang sa tulog? Yeah? May belief system tayong ganyan. Totoo, totoo. Sinungaling yan. Sino dito? Sige nga, napuyat ka sa kakas YouTube mo. Natulog ka ng alas 2. Tapos dahil may maingay na kapitbahay, nagising ka ng alas 5. Tapos anong sasabihin mo? Naku, masisira ang araw ko nito. Itutulog ko to. Nagising ka ng alauna, anong pakiramdam? Mabigat, magaan. O hindi totoo yun. Hindi yan sa haba ng tulog. Pero kung gaano ka distraction-free yung mind mo. Nag-aaway, conscious, subconscious. Nag-aaway yan. Yung conscious, gusto kong pumayat. Sabi ng subconscious, hindi mo magawa. Diba? Gusto kong yumaman. Sabi ng subconscious, purita ka. Nag-aaway. Klaro ba? What we want to do right now is to make sure we suspend our conscious mind, which is, dapat ganito, dapat ganyan. Dapat nakatarget na ako. Dapat si ganito, dapat si ganyan. I-suspend natin yan. Si subconscious may buhay na sarili. Right? What we're trying to do here is we're actually eliminating or we're actually for 1 hour, hindi natin pinapatulan si conscious mind, yung mga naiisip natin. Right? Was there a time in your meditation, sabi mo, dapat i-text ko si ganito. Pero nakakahiya, 1 hour to. Wag na lang. And then nakalimutan mo. Right? That means hindi mo pinapatulan kung anong naiisip mo, na urgent. Pero ito yung pinakamahirap i-control. The middle part of your brain is subconscious. Which has been there since you were born. All the programmings, all that I cannot do it, all of the things. Brain mo last night, merong hirap-hirap na sa buhay. Sabi ko, the reason why you're having difficulty, kahit lahat ng ituro namin sa iyo, hindi mo magagawa kasi yung paniwala mo sa sarili, ang dami mong complain. Unang-una mo sabi, matanda na ako. Ilang taong ka ba? 48 po. O ako 53. Sinabi mo, matanda na ako? Nangiinsulto ka ba? So stop saying it. Tapos, dati po ako, mahirap po ako. Gusto mo ba mahirap? Stop saying mahirap ka. Tapos, hindi kasi ako techie. Aralin mo. What if bigyan kita ng $10,000 or $10 million pag naging techie ka? Magiging techie ka na ba? Hindi pa rin po. Sabi ko, ayan tayo eh. Mas importante pa sa'yo yung kwento mong hindi ko kaya kaysa pangarap mong maiahon ng pamilya mo sa buhay at matuto ng technology. Did you notice that? Hirap na sa buhay. Eto, meron akong game binigay. What if matuto ka ng technology para maging techie ka, bibigyan kita $10 million, ayaw mo pa. Did we get this? Which is mas malalim yung hindi ko kaya kaysa kakayanin ko. And this is the practice. This practice here for 1 straight hour every day or more is to suspend your conscious mind, let it be. So, hindi totoo yung clear your mind. Hindi, may sariling buhay ang mind nyo. Hanggang ngayon, ganun pa rin ako. And then your subconscious mind is telling you, mahirap yan. Naku, 10 minutes pa lang, matulog ka na. Yung nagdidikta lagi sa atin na hindi mo kaya yan. But what we're going here is, I don't know if you notice, nung pag-bell na, ay, tapos na. Ang sarap. Did you notice that? That was you now entering to your superconscious. And superconscious is the one in charge of growing your nails. The one in charge of making sure that the trees are bearing fruits. Is the one in charge of you. And all you do is just connect to that. And you're charged the whole day. And today, you're going to operate ease and flow. So, the greatest benefit is kalma ka the whole day. Hindi ka aligaga. Kasi kung aligaga ka, apektado lahat eh. And this is a practice that you might want to consider to just embrace it. Nothing happens external unless I start changing internal. Bakit 1 hour? Again, this is based on scientific study. Okay? This is based on psychology. Okay? It was measured. I don't know if you noticed, the most difficult part, the most grueling part was the beginning, maybe the first 20 minutes. Agree? Kasi yan, active yung conscious mind mo. Ano ba to? Ang tagal. Tama ba yung pag-upo ko? So, ang dami mong tanong sa buhay mo. Klaro? Pero pag nakalampas kang 20 minutes, hindi mo siya pinatulan. Ito yung mga bothering thoughts mo na, uy, may sinabi sa akin si Miko na ganito. Iyaan mo na. Hindi ko naman ikamamatayan. Versus, ha? Sinabi niyo yun? Nangyayari talaga yan? Di ba? Dilampasan mo yun. The next 20 to 40 minutes is now entering into your subconscious. Which is, you now start to release part of who you are not. Maybe you'll see some faces of people, some names. Now, it's either you need to close this loop, release this loop, allow this to be released in your life. Up until the 40th minute all the way to lampas that's where you get to meet your authentic self. Your highest self, your truest self. Did you notice that yung pag-bell, parang doon ka na pinaka-peaceful? Parang ang sarap na ituloy. True or true? Have you heard that the most peaceful place on earth is in the bottom of the ocean? That's what they're doing. Every day we're distracted because our conscious mind is parang sa sea of water, puro waves. You just keep on going beyond that, up until the strongest current is here. But hayaan mo, kahit may current, sige. Up until you reach the bottom, that's the most peaceful, blissful place to be. And that's where you get to charge yourself the entire day. And until it becomes a habit. It becomes a lifestyle. It becomes a being. Ang metaphor ko kasi sa buhay, no? Can you imagine waterfall? Can you imagine? Right? Kukuha ka ng tubig na ganun. Tapos, iinom kang ganun, dahan-dahanin mong inom. Ganun tayo sa buhay. Scarcity. Kulang. Lack. This practice is when you see the waterfall, meron kang tubo na hindi mauubusan. Which means we now start to live a life wherein most of humanity lives in a life wherein it's all about fear, all about doubt and worry. This one is a practice to move away from that, to deepen your faith na He is in full control and you don't have to even do anything. You act in hope, which means with excitement, no matter how difficult it is. You know in the end, merong mangyayaring maganda. But above all, love. You put in love to anyone and everyone who you meet, to anything that you do in your life. That is where abundance comes in. And the biggest question here is, are you willing to work on those pipes? One straight year lang, challenge mo sarili mo. You'll notice the difference in your life. Your life will be unrecognizable January next year when we meet. Hindi masama may kakampi ka. The reason why our life is distracted, nasira, it's because we allow distraction to live our life. What does it mean? Walang focus eh. Madaling baswe. Ang pinakamalaking distraction ngayon, itong social media. Napansin niyo ba, hindi ako nag-i-scroll? Right? Wala akong Facebook dyan, wala akong Instagram, wala akong TikTok dyan. Kasi kahit ako, pag ganun talaga yung design niya, pag natapat na sa'yo, sisilip ka lang, hala, 3 oras na ako dito. Huwag ka magtaka kung masama ang loob mo, huwag ka magtaka kung mainit ang ulo mo. Sa dami ng negativity, sa dami ng mga hindi maganda, dumidikit yan. And then it's taking away from being with people. It's taking away from you connecting with people, which is very important. And it's taking you away from what's really important, what's essential, which is to be present. That's why it's called present, because it's a gift. Sabi nga, people live in 2 thieves, dalawang magnanakaw. Right? Regrets of the past. Fear of the future. Then we forget the now. This is a practice of being here, right now. All wasted energy. Why? You want to control it. You don't want to let it go. Did that make sense? Wala kang makakaligtaan na importante. Hindi ka ngarag, hindi ka nagmamadali. Isn't it a great benefit? Do we want to feel happy all the time? Fulfilled? Excited? Ease and flow? Price to pay? Bawasan ng tulog? Dagdagan ng tulog sa aga ng tulog? Ganun talaga eh. This is a practice of you being responsible. The quality of my meditation is dependent on my quality of sleep. So kung puyat ako, hirap talaga mag-meditate. Pero gawin ko pa rin no matter what. Why? Because this is now my practice of capability. Which means I am able to win myself over. It's been more than 4 straight years I haven't missed anyone wherever I am all over the world. I'm so attached to this already. It created everything I wanted. This place, fresh money yung binigay sa akin, hindi bought it in cash. Gandang kwento yon. Gusto niyo malaman? When I saw this, I was given 1 week. So I checked all my investments. At that time, bagsak lahat. As in 70% of lahat ng mutual funds ko, unit investment trust funds ko, etc., etc. Ayoko rin mangutang. So in my meditation, I just said, Lord, kung para sa akin, wag mo akong pahirapan. On the same day, 3 people messaged me, nasa message request, is this property yours? Sabi ko, hala, may nabili akong property year 2000, 20 years ago. Binili ko siya out of, meron akong friend, sabi niya, bigyan mo ako ng break. Gusto ko ikaw yung una makabili kasi nagde-develop ako ng village. Sabi ko, sige, ikaw na bahala. Pipilihan kita na maganda. Tapos sabi ko, basta gives ha. Sige, so biniyaran ko 10 years yata. You know, I think I got it at 800 per square, year 2000. I sold it at 12,000. Yung binenta ko doon, pinambili ko dito. Pandemic. How can you beat that? Kung ako lang mabuang ako, pipilitin ko, hanap ako ng paraan. Is that a good benefit? But am I willing to trust Him with my life? So this is not about praise and worship, reading the Bible. Iba yun. But this is about real faith work. What I hate the most, a lot of people who would preach about God, but they live their life in fear, doubt, and worry. How do I know? They have too much complaint. They have too much criticism about other people. And then they condemn people who doesn't have the same faith with them. Parang taliwala sa pinunta ni Kristo dito, which is love and compassion. Tama ba? This is the perfect practice for me to connect to my source. Good? See, did you like the practice? Yes. Now again, this is useless if you give it away tomorrow. This is useless. Nag-practice ka ng 28 straight days. On the 29th, bumigay ka, balik ka sa zero. It's the same thing. How many of you really want to be healthier, losing weight, fitter this year? Oh, wag mo i-let go yung practice na alam mong importante. Right? Ako sanay na kahit gaano kasarap ang ulam sa gabi, hindi ako kakain. Bakit? Sanay na ako. Kung kakain man ako, dahil respeto, pinilit ko yung sarili ko. Kasi nasanay na ako. Yung ating 3 square meals a day, yung 5 meals, may mga snacks pa in between. Ang ayaw ko palang i-give up ngayon, ang love ko for sugar. Kasi once a day na ako makain. Di kainin ko lahat ng gusto ko, but it's working for me. Did that make sense? What if one straight year gawin mo to? That's a commitment. That now defines a new self-image, Helen. Kaya ko. Bakit? Nagawa ko 1 taon. Kahit anong ibigay sing target, kaya ko yan. Kasi nagawa mo yung pinakamahirap para sa tao gawin, which is umupo na walang gagawin. Di ba? Bakit naging responsable ako? Ginawan ko ng paraan. Higit sa lahat, I matter, which means I'm important. Hindi ko inuna yung trabaho, yung anak ko, yung pagkain. Ako yung importante. That's why when I matter, when I'm in front of the people who I serve, they feel that they matter. Why? Because I'm with them all the time. Kahit 1 million ipupusta ko, ask me why. I can trust me. Kahit 10 million ipupusta ko, ask me why. I can trust me. When we started this in the group, first month I earned 460,000 pesos. Yung iba nagpapaalam, may party daw. Di, magbayad ka na kaagad para tapos na. Hindi po, sige po, gagawin ko. Yun pala eh. Nakuha mo? Parang what if 1 year you don't give yourself permission to be flaky? 1 year, wala kang drama. 1 year, wala kang justification. 1 year, wala kang excuses. 1 year, you don't have story that you're not able to make it. But 1 year straight, wow! Galing ko. That now will change your entire life.